Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that's how long does it take regions to clear a check? Before we get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of understanding how long it takes for a check to clear. This is especially important if you're running a business or if you're just trying to manage your finances. Knowing how long it takes for a check to clear can help you avoid overdrafts and other financial problems. It can also help you make sure that you have enough money on hand to cover your expenses. So, let's get started. How long does it take regions to clear a check? The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including the type of account you have, the bank where the check was written, the day of the week that you deposit the check, whether or not the check is local or out of state. In general, it takes regions 1 to 3 business days to clear a check. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. If you have a business account, it may take regions up to 5 business days to clear a check. This is because regions has to verify that the business is legitimate and that the funds are available. If the check is written by a bank that is not a member of the Federal Reserve System, it may take regions up to 7 business days to clear the check. This is because Regions has to send the check to the other bank for processing. If you deposit a check on a weekend or on a holiday, it will not be processed until the next business day. This means that it could take longer for your check to clear. How can I speed up the process? There are a few things that you can do to speed up the process of clearing a check. Deposit your check as soon as possible. Deposit your check at a Regions branch. Use Regions' mobile banking app to deposit your check. Endorse your check correctly. What happens if my check is returned? If your check is returned, it means that Regions was not able to clear the check. There are a number of reasons why a check may be returned, such as the check was written for an insufficient amount of money. The check was written on a closed account. The check was written on a non-existent account. The check was written with incorrect information. If your check is returned, you will need to contact the bank that wrote the check to find out why it was returned. You may also need to redeposit the check. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional tips. If you're expecting a check, you can call Regions to find out if it has cleared yet. You can also set up alerts for your checking account so that you know when a check has cleared. If you're concerned about a check that has not cleared, you can contact Regions to report the issue. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. I will also be adding a link to a blog post that I wrote about this topic in the description below. Thanks again for watching.